Hey guys! Here's another great list of smart kitchen gadgets that will surely make your life in the kitchen a lot easier. All the links to the products can be found in the description below. Let's go! Number 13. KitchenAid Food Chopper. Take care of your small chopping needs in the kitchen with the KitchenAid Food Chopper. This device can help you save a lot of time when trying to prepare your salad dressings, food sauces and more with just a simple one-touch operation. With the 2 speed options and pulse, you can chop, mix, and pure every day so that you can create a uniform output for your dish. The KitchenAid has a 3.5 cup capacity and is very easy to clean. Number 12. AnySharp Essentials Knife Sharpener. Having a sharp knife in the kitchen is as important as having any other cooking utensils. AnySharp ensures that you don't have to run to the store every time your knife gets dull. It is known to be the world's best knife sharpener on the market with thousands of positive reviews from users. The AnySharp knife sharpener has a suction cup built at the bottom, enabling it to get a good grip on the surface and hence allowing one-hand operation when sharpening your knives. The device is very simple and safe to use, and it is also suitable for sharpening serrated blades. Number 11. Pizza Leftover Storage Pack. This silicone-designed storage container is the perfect vessel for storing pizza leftover pieces. The container is made of expandable material, which means you can store up to 5 pieces of pizza. The pizza pack comes with 5 microwavable serving trays. This means you can put your slices of pizza in the container, each laying on top of the tray. That way you can just pull the container out of the fridge and place it directly into the oven. Now you can save more space in your fridge instead of putting the whole box of pizza inside. Number 10. Zulli Potato Masher. The Zulli Potato Masher is a durable potato masher made of stainless steel wrapped in a premium silicone coat for the purpose of creating the possibility to mash potatoes directly into your cooking pots or pans without leaving a single scratch on your expensive cookware. This enables them to stay in a perfect non-scratched condition for years. Unlike metal, rubber, or plastic, the food won't stick to the silicone coating of the Zulli Potato Masher, which makes it very easy to clean after finishing. Another advantage of the silicone on the potato masher is that it also makes sure that you always get smooth and fluffy potato mash with minimum work energy required. The Zulli Potato Masher is designed with a balanced handle to provide you with the perfect grip while grinding. Number 9. 12-in-1 Multifunctional Vegetable Slicer Cutter. With this device, you can easily cut down all the vegetables that you're gonna need to completely prepare your meal or salad. It comes with 12 interchangeable blades that you can use to cut different kinds of fruits into pieces of different sizes and shapes. This device will surely become your favorite vegetable chopper, as it can help you do the chopping of vegetables quickly and safely, since it also comes with its own hand protector that you can use when chopping down big vegetables like potatoes that normally require a little more force to be applied towards the chopper. Other vegetables just require you to select the blade, put the veg on top, and cover it with the device's handle on top to complete the chopping using its cover plate. Number 8. Multifunctional Can Opener. This can opener with a stainless steel blade can open any can in a matter of seconds. With a simple knob turning mechanism, you can safely open any can. All you need is to hold the handles of the can opener tightly with one arm as you place it on the can, and then slowly rotate the turning knob clockwise to open it. This can opener also has the ability to act as a bottle opener with its unique hollow shape on top that enhances a tight grip when opening bottles. The device is light in weight and is very simple to clean. Number 7. NutriBullet Portable Blender. This mini blender with a capacity of 24 ounce can grind any fruit or greens in a matter of seconds. All you need to do is fill it with the ingredients that make up your daily drink, and it will grind everything in it, even the seeds or nuts, without breaking down the fibers from the fruits or grains. The device has a power of 600 watts. That means the blades work very fast to create your shakes or sippable smoothies in the least time possible. Number 6. Bare Electric Kettle. Boiling water is one thing, but boiling water in this device is a whole new experience. With its super fast boiling capabilities, the Bare Electric Kettle can get your water boiling within less than 4 minutes. It's time to get rid of your old kettle or stove and replace it with the Bare Electric Kettle, the only smart kettle with an integrated reservation insulation made of stainless steel. The device allows you to select the temperature at which you want it to boil the water based on your preference or usage. Number 5. Elite Gourmet EAF 4700. This is definitely something that every smart kitchen must have. The Elite Gourmet EAF 4700 is a cooking device that can literally cook anything by doing all the hard work for you in the smartest way possible. This multi-cooking device can air fry, bake, boil and slow cook your food in the best possible condition. The device has a simple digital control menu that allows you to carefully select the way you want your meal to be handled. With this device, cooking fast becomes a simple advantage because of the top and bottom heating mechanism. But if the meal requires more heating precision, then you can change the mode and use the bottom heating system for accurate cooking. Number 4. 4T7 Smart Cutting Board Set. If you want to become an amazing cook, then you're probably going to need the best cooking utensils that can help you prepare your favorite dishes in the best possible way. This 4T7 Smart Chopping Board helps you improve your cooking skills by ensuring that you do everything in the right possible manner. The set comes with 2 boards, one made of pure bamboo wood which is oiled in order to keep the board smooth and thornless. The other board is made of wheat which makes it perfect when cutting vegetables. Both boards are gentle on your knives and won't dull your blades. The 4T7 Smart Cutting Board comes with a built-in digital scale and timer that allows you to weigh your food after cutting and set the exact time need to cook your delicious meal. The recipes and calories can be obtained from the Smart app on your phone. It will also indicate the time needed to cook that food. Now you can cook everything at the highest precision possible. Number 3. Electrical Coffee Grinder 40mm. This one is for those of you who enjoy drinking the best drink for a productive mind. This 40mm titanium burr metal bean hopper coffee grinder is designed to help you make the best coffee for you just the way you like it by allowing you to have control over the small details that really affect the taste of your coffee. It comes with a 19-speed thickness design and an itching switch with a motor speed of 550 RPM that will automatically turn off to prevent overheating. It also has a built-in magnet that ensures stability to its metallic cup. The device is small, making it easy to carry around. Number 2. Titanium Chef Patissier XL. The Juice Pulp Cake Maker. This is something for those of you who enjoy baking. The Patissier XL is the all-in-one device that you're ever gonna need when baking the perfect cake. It comes with a special juice blending device that you can use when squeezing the juice from the carrots, apples, beetroots and peeled ginger when preparing the juice pulp. Once you're done making the juice pulp, you're now ready to add the main ingredients of that cake to the bowl and then select the correct settings for mixing the ingredients through the touchscreen display on the device. Once you're done, just put everything together and you're ready to enjoy your delicious cake. Hey, don't worry, detailed instructions on how to actually prepare the cake will be provided to you directly from the manufacturer. Number 1. Bare Electric Hot Pot. This portable multifunctional electric hot pot is an amazing cooking device when it comes to preparing different meals that can be cooked by steaming without having to affect the nutrients of the healthy dishes you are preparing. The pot has a capacity of up to 3 liters, which is quite enough when it comes to preparing meals for the entire family. With this pot, you can cook your favorite soup by steaming and cooking it in the same pot. The pot lets you prepare the meals much quicker compared to other cookers. It has a non-sticky surface which prevents food from sticking inside, making it very easy to clean when you're done using it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notifications bell so that we can keep you updated. Leave a comment below and tell us which one from the list was your favorite.